people, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorial how to get video on Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. First thing we're gonna do is just open the Capcut application. Hold on until we are adding into the Capcut application, and that's how it looks when we are in Capcut. So after that, you can just creating a video by go into this expand. You can just access the camera and start recording the video for the users of your project on a Capcut. But there will also another option. Just need to click the new project and go into the stock videos over here, so you will be able to access any videos that provided by the Capcut application. For example, let's go into the scenery. So you will be able to access any scenery video that provided by the Capcut. Just need to click the video that's suitable with the concept of your editing. After that, you just need to click add, and now you already have a video on your project. That's all the way how you get a video on a Capcut application. If you find that this video is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.